Good morning everyone. My name is Sushmita. I am from S3 Colleges. Our theme is smart water heater. The idea evolved from the product is Sunaha water heater, which indicates the temperature. Let us go deeper into the topic. The first of all, what is the problem statement is how might we help a homemaker to remind her when hot water is ready. For this, why should the homemaker is a need for this? How to understand the problem and what is the problem faced by the homemaker. First of all, getting into the why homemaker is needed, because homemaker is the main theme for the family to give the needs of family members. If working, she might forget the forget the water heater. Switch on the water heater and she forgot to switch it off. So what is the problem? It is if the water if water is getting heated more, then the temperature the utilization of electricity will be more, and it causes damage to the other things. Then going to the brief discussion about this problem is, the problem here is to make the user to reminder how hot water is prepared. Once required, hot water is prepared. Then defining the problem statement means here the prototype designed for this homemaker is, because homemaker makes a multitasking person from morning to till night. So to fulfill her needs, we should to reduce her work, we designed this product. Then the further brainstorming topic is discussed by Nandini.
Yeah, after brainstorming, we have come with crazy and real ideas, and we have shortlisted our ideas, and some of them are Bluetooth based indicator alarm and robot alarm, and some are application based on Internet of Things, and some are automatic stopper, and some are bucket heater, and some are speaking water heater. And among them we have shortlisted and chosen two best ideas. What are they are? Indicating by alarm and Arduino based reminder. And by selecting breadboard alarm, we have made a prototype, and that prototype we have make a working model, and it has sent for reviews, and in that reviews we have got both negative and positive. And the positive and negative, by analyzing the positives and negatives, we came to that problems we are facing with the prototype, that prototype should be user friendly and cost effective, and we have come with a better solution for problem, and that will be explained by Amrut.
The previous discussions, now we are going to working model of iterative Sunaha water heater indicator. Now I have started the working model here. Before getting into the explanation, here we have used resistor technology and 555 IC integrated circuit, through which we are using, when compared to cost per use, we have utilized less cost of resistors, so that this will make even user friendly and eco friendly for people. When this is taken into consideration, this just consists of just 5 resistors and 6 resistors with 4 buttons and a buzzing alarm with a 555 IC circuit, and we have some switches here. So as per the need of the user, we can utilize whatever the button we want, what the switch we want. So this is a switch which buzzes, which reminds us after 5 minutes. This is a switch, if we switch on, it reminds after 10 minutes. This one will be after 20, and this one will be after 30 minutes. So as per the real experiment, complete water is acquired a real temperature when it is switched on for 20 minutes. So this 20 minutes water heater is required for when we want 50 degrees and above temperature of water for utilization. This switch will use a normal temperature. If we want, we can use either 10 minutes or 20 minutes switch. Else for a medium heater, so we can use 5 minutes. This is how the working is going to be. Here whenever the switch is switched on, current will pass through. After current will pass through 555 IC circuit. After return temperature, the buzzing alarm will start over here. This is how the complete iterative model prototype will be working on, and this will be attached to a water heater. Through then the complete model will be completed. That's it. Thank you. Amazing.